Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to deposit a check using the Chase mobile app. First, sign in to the Chase mobile app and tap Pay and Transfer. Select Deposit Checks and choose the account where you want your deposit to go. Enter the amount of check. Tap front and take a clear photo of the front of your check. Endorse the back of your check and tap next. Then take a photo of the back. Review the deposit amount and check details to make sure everything is correct. Finally, tap next and then deposit to confirm. And that's it. Your check is now deposited right from your phone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.